Hey, this is Robot Skater 143 and I'm about to do a retarded car chase on Grand Theft Auto 4. Let's get started. Hey, a cop. Give me all your money. Give me all your money. Come on, beat me up. Oh, bam, bam. Here, come on. Okay, car chase. Uh-oh, get in my car. Uh-oh. Stupid black person. Boom. Uh-oh. Car chase. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Yeah. Woo. I can't see nothing. Wow. Okay. Boom. Yeah, you don't like that, do you, taxi driver? Let's do this. Hey, motorcycle guy, where's your helmet? Bam! Oh, you were wearing a helmet. My bad. Oh! Those pants don't look good on you. Oh, you're fat. Oh, get out of my way. Can't you see I'm on a car chase? Oh, crap, I'm losing the cops. Better turn around. Hey, can't you see I'm trying to make a YouTube video? God dang it! Get out of my way! Ah! Whoa! Get up, come on, get up. Oh, look at this guy. Now what the heck? Oh, money. Let's fix my car up. Pimp my ride, mister. Thank you. Let's go. Crap, cops. Need to get more attention. Hey! Look at me, cops! Look at me! Oh, I'm shooting the cops. Ooh, you guys are so cool. Okay, keep going. Get out of my way. That's some horsepower I got there. Wow! Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Uh-oh. Crap. Stupid taxi. Minivans go so slow. See ya. Ooh, I can't see. Gah! Go on the train tracks. Oh crap. Yeah. Wow. Boy. God, no. Come on, no. Come on, flip over. No. Dang it, no, I'm not gonna need another car. Crap. And they're shooting at me. Come on, hurry up. I need the strong horsepower. Hey! Get out of my way. Get in my car. This is my new car. Let's go. Let's do this. You gotta put on the good channel. Yeah. Hey, another Humvee. Hey, get out of my way, I'm trying to get a car. Jeez. Hey! That is not nice! Wow. Okay, let's go. Come on. Get out of the way! Holy crap, black people have white man's blood? Holy crap. I just learned something new. From a video game. Do. No, look at the cops. I'm gonna chase it. Hey! Where'd it go? Oh, it's behind me. Woo! Oh, you just mowed the lawn. Look what I'm doing to your precious lawn, lawn keepers. Hey! Oh, hey, the cop just ran over one. Holy crap, get out of here! Ah, stupid nature! Get out of my way! Bling! Woo! They're a power plant. Do. Nice drift. Looks like it's from Speed Racer. Do. Maybe they're not finding me in my bush. Bush. Hey, did you find me? Can't find me in the bush, can ya? Can ya? Crap, they found me! Joke's on you, coppers. I'm going down here. Stop it, try. Let's go. Does that explode? Does that explode? Dang it. Going too fast. Going too fast. Going too fast. Okay, now I'm going down. Hey, gangsters! Bam! More gangsters! Dang it, I missed him. Hey, look, some homies. Yo, what's up, son? Ain't no fat people allowed! Fat people shouldn't wear heels. Now you die. What the heck? Better get out of here. Cause I'm up to 3 stars. Gotta get more stars. More stars the better. I have a cold. Oh God! Oh. Shut up. I have a big woody. Because I have a buzz to go with it too. I have a buzzing woody. More gangsters for me to kill. Where the heck did the cops go? Hey, an old lady sitting on a bench. I hate you. More gangsters. Bam! Dang it, I'm losing the cops. Never thought I would get this far. Oh, okay, I'm getting them back. Get out of my way! Can't you see? I'm on YouTube! God dang it! Uh-oh. My hydraulics are popping in. Don't worry, Pimp My Ride is always on my cell phone. Get out of my way, fat people! Hey, don't say that word, it's naughty. Don't make fun of what I do every morning. Now what the heck is going on? Crap, the cops found me. That's good. Bam, bam. Uh-oh. Crap! Get up there. Crap! I hate the stairs in this game. It's so fake. I mean, these totally look fake. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh crap, what the heck? They found me. Did you see those air? I have ups. You don't have ups, do you? Going slow-mo. Now I'm going fast-mo. What the heck? Now how the heck did that happen? Hey, I'm gonna crash into this car. See, watch. She fell out. Uh-oh, the FBI. They might find my cocaine. Killing you. Hey, get out of my way. Hey, strip club. Go slow. Go slow past the strip club. Okay, let's go. Hey, couples! Bam! Dang it. Going full speed. Going all out. All out, son. All out. All out. Ditching. Ah! I'm still alive. Let's go. Oh, I killed somebody. Oh well. Just add it to the chart. Uh-oh. Wow! Come on, go up, come on. Oh, dang it. Come on. Come on, you can do this. Okay, what the heck? The heck? The heck? Oh, okay. You know what? I want to turn myself in. Because I'm a good kid. You know. Right after this. I caused an accident. Oh, okay, I'm on fire. Okay, turn myself in. You know what? Keep the car, oh, my door's missing. You know, I'm just gonna pretend I'm king of the world here. Oh my god! Holy crap! Are you seeing this, people? Are you seeing this? I died. And an FBI agent is on fire. Well, that's it. I'm dead. Okay, well thanks. Watch out for more videos. Now it's nice out that I'm alive again. Okay, well that's it. Say goodbye, Nico. See you in hell. Okay, goodbye.